think of me once in a while. Think of me once in a while.
Once in a while, will you try to give one little thought to me? Though someone else may be nearer your heart. Once in a while, will you think of the moments I shared with you? Moments before we two drifted apart. In love's smoldering embers, the one spark may remain. If love still can remember, that spark may burn again. I know that I'll be contented with yesterday's memories, knowing you think of me once in a while.
Once in a while, think of me once in a while.
I know that I'll be so contented with yesterday's memories, knowing you think of me once in a while. Just knowing you think of me once in a while.
Once in a while, think of me once in a while. Think of me once in a while.
Summertime is here, and at last I'm free. After 9 long months in the school penitentiary, getting up in the morning trying to start my car, and knowing that thing wasn't going too far.
Teacher let the booze out.
Summertime is here. I don't have no books, I don't have no homework, so I don't get no dirty looks. 'Cause all year long, all I hear is, have you got your schoolwork, dear? Summertime is here, and I can sleep like dead, or I can get a job if I need some bread. I'm going down to the beach and hang around, talk to the girls as they come down. Summertime is here, and it sure feels good just to sit around. I better knock on wood, because it won't be long before I'll have to face that same old grind, that same sad place.
Teacher let the booze out. Teacher let the booze out. Teacher let the booze out.